Hello everybody, gardening season is well underway now. I just wanted to show off some of the seeds I'll be planting this year. I probably should have already planted these sweet peas, but I'll try them anyway right now. It's first part of February when I'm filming this. And then of course I've got my cucumbers, a few different varieties to try. And got some spinach here. That variety does pretty well in my area. Then of course I've got my Roma beans, wax beans, and Blue Lake 274s. Those are all tasty. Then we've got some mustard here. Lettuce, black-seeded Simpson is pretty darn good in the spring. Then I got my Danvers 126 carrots, Crimson Giant radishes. Those are good in a good fresh salad. Come down here to my squash, yellow crookneck, Dixie hybrid. I haven't tried that before. Then of course these scallops are good, or patty pans. And then cantaloupe. And down here I've got my hot weather crops, my California black eyes. Those are pretty good. And then some Clemson spineless 80. That's hard to beat. And then I've grown this before, this Louisiana green velvet, so I figured I'd get a little bit this year. And then the emerald, these are both skinnier pods that get real long. Let's take a look at some of my flowers. I'm going to try some petunias from seed. And of course some butterfly flower. And got to have my sunflowers. There's my varieties for this year. May get some more. And then I always have marigolds. Not only do they look nice, they deter some garden pests. And I got the Eskimo variety this year to try. I had those last year. They look nice. And then I always have that kind right there, the old standard. And then various types of zinnias. I usually grow these. And these, yeah, it's the same thing. And those, typically have those. This is a new variety I'll be trying this year. And if I find some more I like, I'll go ahead and get it. And then some phlox. That does pretty well in my area. Zone 8, by the way. So once again, just a quick look at my seed hoard for this year. Thank you for watching.